this that is show we call BOBOS, and una know say since 2014 we don't receive many relationships, marriages, and all together.
Saviors.
This night inside bar, I did with my men them because without these men, I no go ever lead a complete for year. I beg, me could help me welcome the one and only hype man extraordinaire, Showman Bosco.
Why that me you want a face? Shakara is the Godfather is there. You have not
because now you spend money recently. Spend money, spend phone.
Spend phone. Shakara, that phone is a painful thing.
And I beg, we could do Chapali when I don't see him. You don't need no too much introduction. The comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
Shakolo.
the peace ambassador extraordinaire.
Yes.
Shakis.
Yo.
But meanwhile, you know, when he introduced me, he spoke about on my behalf. Let me also speak on his behalf.
Yeah.
Shakara is no more the peace ambassador because Dangote has proven that he's a real peace ambassador. You, as a peace ambassador, you could not call Olamide and Ojazi
between Olamide and Ojazi. I called them, they did not pick. When they saw Dangote's call, they thought he was going to give them a show.
And they went.
They went.
Can you imagine?
They can't go meet themselves.
They can't go meet themselves. You can imagine that say, like, why is it? You could just pause, say, this is Dangote's house, you understand? You know that your house they become, for that piece, they go fight you.
And that piece no be ordinary match it is settled.
It
can be like this.
If I hear.
Two of them sit down. Why are you people calling?
Do you know that?
Allow me the
boom.
Don't just boom.
That's what it's
oh, can you people shake it? We are not even. Is it because I say if you want the child to come and get it?
See, it doesn't let me do like this. Give Plantation Boys. Till today, they will have seen me together. At least the Blackface will have seen me singing. But Blackface don't come up plenty. Blackface he get like 18 tracks. Where he say what come on album, but I don't know what happen. Where the thing never come out.
Blackface.
Blackface now.
Yeah, well, we don't come.
Wait, you want?
I've been here with you talk before.
What's happen? Blackface don't come out. He get like 18 songs.
He get like 18 tracks now for one album.
He said he come out the album last year, middle of last year. I hear.
What the happen?
You know, say a lot of things happen. Change happen from PDP to APC.
So change plenty.
Phoebe say he won't change the songs.
You get.
Maybe inside the song he sing about PDP, and now he has to talk about APC.
That's Blackface of former Plantation Boys.
Yes now. What's the problem?
I don't want to be sure.
Which one?
Without falling into God's surgery and check out things, then tonight we want to talk about over this prolific thing. But first, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. Now we can join us. Say a very big happy birthday to our guy Showman. Yes. We want to say a big thank you all of you. Now we come outside, our friends, our fans, and we follow us jolly. We want to say a very big thank you because
thank you to my men too.
And no thanks to person waiting for that phone.
Yes.
In fact, that phone, if one is a fake call.
No be lie. Let me say it because no be lie. Twice now in the space of 1 month, there's still the same phone where I buy with my hard-earned money. It's not fair. It's not fair. After we don't finish party finish, man just pay bill. 9 person help me pay the bill. Carry my phone. They go. Well, I feel the person you are really, really poor. You no get money in a poverty that make you do am. So now why? If I know
that thing can kill mood. You don't say normally when you don't party finish. Party hard. So you don't celebrate. And maybe one get there by your side. That's the way they make person think.
You know what today was? If that's what we go talk random gist today and just they go on. You know what in the best pass? My birthday now on the 11th. You understand? So the party was into the birthday. So I was expecting phone calls, so that to come in and all that. My phone go, you understand? Nobody could reach me on my birthday. It was the worst thing to ever experience. Say, fit receive one phone call. You understand?
Just the one that say what did happen.
I wake up around after the party, like 2 for afternoon. Now I wake up with the reality. Say, okay, my phone go fit, see show. I was still in shock. Till I drive myself, they go one of all these telecommunication companies to go tell them, say, even when they see me again, they were like, the same pack where I break, it's still looking fresh. Meanwhile, the phone, those phones, the back of the phone, if you buy, you come out the back, then buy that phone pouch. I get 2 brand new with the leather, you see there. So each time I look my drawer, they see those two phones and they feel bad.
If we even come talk of random gist, you don't see the latest way they happen for this weapons scandal.
Until for Nigeria and for America.
People, for here now, this Dazuki issue, the people names they them bring out say they collect money.
No, the money matter. They grant.
No, there's a lot to.
I never see plenty names now where they don't bring out say they collect money.
Ogo, there will be a lot of things to discuss today. But I know we'll say it. We are letting it to be a free day today. And Friday again, we are CBC. We let's say a lot. Now, regarding your own money, the person with me I like right here, where he talk say you no go return the money now, Olufalaye. Olufalaye say there's no reason where he will not return the money.
Not be say will not return the money. Not be money that available they return.
The Baba no say no. It is available. I think if you like, see, let me tell you, I would like
because really, man, names so I see massive names too.
Now fallen politician, now person we don't chop him money finish. If I don't get money again,
he'll
like
tell
before.
you, my brother, these men have money. Man,
You don't
do you
chop
know
that
how
money?
many billions they are stealing in this country? You cannot finish it.
But you not go be like you not go be like when you see the one position, when you see whole one key position.
Let me tell you something. You know this thing I say
see,
now.
current money, now you where to.
Correct
money where they enter.
Do you know how much money these men are stealing and they see where they enter their account? They are not even going anywhere.
My brother.
They are not doing anything.
Exactly.
And they are receiving money.
I remember back in the years, you understand, when we were in university. That time, it was the politicians where they always carry our babes.
Yes.
You understand? I am glad of this era now.
Even up to now.
No, now you have the likes of the whiskey and the Olamide. Like I'm telling you, politicians, because you and their before it was them. That's why I like this change. Because if you are not working hard, you are not going to make money.
But let's even come and talk about this change issue. Said, you know, say this thing and weapons money. And you remember those soldiers, those military people, them, where they say then they don't sentence to death that time. If I was President Buhari, I swear I will try look into this matter again. Because you know, say they don't sentence them to life imprisonment again. After that one, they come out the death sentence. Don't sentence them to life imprisonment. Okay. If I was him, I would review him because money when they're supposed to go buy weapon. Now they share so. We make those guys don't go fight that time. We be saying they return and say they go fight. I don't go blame those boys then.
People where they share this, people where they give this money, when they are aware of the what the money they meant for.
Well, my brother, let me tell you something.
But really, why would they be aware?
It looks like this FIFA scandal where the Platini get with Sepp Blatter and the rest. Sepp Blatter transfer money, give Platini. Now, did they transfer any money to you inside this whole Dansuki worker? No. So obviously, whoever will collect money, he know waiting the money be. If they can't give you money now like this, they'll tell you, say, Shakara, we are sending you maybe 1 billion naira.
No, from federal now.
Oh, well done.
If it be miscellaneous.
Yeah, so miscellaneous. So you just send Shakara 1 billion naira. You don't ask. You don't
ask questions. Say, where this money come from?
Why am I getting 1 billion naira?
Why you give me this money? You don't go ask that question at all.
Maybe like in appreciation, like for example, the one of Sister Linda, she say they give her to thank her.
For waiting.
For what? For contributing to democracy.
Everybody now they talk. Even the DGs for newspaper companies, they will say they collect money. All everybody just come outside and talk. Say, they don't know say this one they just give them money.
Let me tell you guys, the young guys like us here are waiting to collect this money because they are looking for where to throw this money away because they cannot keep it. If you deal with them, they go say declare assets and they'll see how much it is. So they're looking for boys like you, young boys that
who are looking for.
They are looking for now.
Where am I invisible?
I wonder why they
wonder.
Tell them now. Tell them now because we are here. Me I don't have a police. It's our country's money. And if they come and give us, we will gladly collect it.
I say now part of my share.
Of all your suffering all these years, you've not received, we can collect it, please. You understand? And then another matter where they worry me because we have to say it. BOBOS here now onto relationship issue. Last fever day town now, and they say na rats. I don't know anybody who come from Benue.
Meanwhile,
they say Benue people they like chop rats. As of today, where they
Last fever thing, have you?
Benue people they say they like to chop rats. Or just enter.
Showman, if I will remember.
I will rush do break sharp.
Okay, because
we do break sharp. When we come back, we go see they talk the matter. They go not go anywhere. Na BOBOS and be this. We they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.